From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could transform any room into a cozy sleeping space in seconds? Are you looking for a solution? Consider the rollable floor mattress frame, solid wood, a game-changing product that has taken the market by storm. This innovative bunkie board is not only super comfy but also offers extra storage and a beautiful wood finish that will complement any home decor. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional quality and versatility. The Keep Dry feature is particularly impressive, with a breathable hardboard bed design that protects the bed board and mattress from moisture, ensuring a comfortable and dry sleeping experience. The foldable design is another notable benefit, making installation and use incredibly convenient, with cable ties that secure the board in place, allowing for effortless storage without taking up valuable space. The bed support board is made of thick, finely polished wood, with a smooth panel that is both breathable and comfortable, providing strong bearing capacity. In real-life use cases, this product excels. Whether you need a temporary sleeping solution for guests or a permanent bed frame, the rollable floor mattress frame is the perfect choice. Its customizable sizes and foldable design make it ideal for small rooms, apartments, or homes with limited space. With its unique combination of style, comfort, and practicality, this product stands out from the competition, offering a superior sleeping experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable bunkie board that will meet your needs and exceed your expectations, look no further than the rollable floor mattress frame, solid wood, a well-reviewed and popular choice among consumers. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.